Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to star sent media on WhatsApp Web using the latest update. If you often share photos, videos, or documents and struggle to find them later, this new feature is going to make your life so much easier. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by visiting the WhatsApp web page and scanning the QR code with your phone. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chats just like on your mobile app. Now, look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a new media icon on the side menu. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up all your shared media photos, videos, and files organized in one place. Next, choose media to browse through your sent and received items. Find the media you want to star. This can be anything you've sent to friends, family, or groups. At the top right of the media window, you'll see a small sort icon. Click on it. From the menu that appears, select You. This filters the view so you only see the media you've sent yourself, making it easier to locate your own content. Now, look again at the top of the window and click on the select icon. Once you've done that, start choosing all the media files you want to organize or keep handy. You can select as many as you like. After selecting your items, you'll see a star icon at the top of the screen. Simply click on it, and just like that, all your selected media will be starred. They'll now appear in your starred messages section, ready for easy access whenever you need them. And that's it. You've just learned how to star your sent media on WhatsApp Web with this new update. It's quick and convenient and a great way to keep important files at your fingertips. Thanks for watching.